Carryline's standard range of conveyors is a plastic change system made in 5 different widths. This is Carryline Series 830, good to use for many types of products, even products wider than the chain. The chain width is 83 mm and pitch 38 mm. Minimum curve radius is 200 mm. We manufacture all the conveyor chains in-house with our own molding machines. We have several different options, for example slat chain, friction chain, different carriers, etc. There are different types of transfers between conveyors. For example, driven transfers, undriven transfers with the rollers and side-by-side transfer. This will of course be custom-made after your needs and for your products. Guide rails for the products running at the conveyors can be configured in many ways. We have, for example, the round 18 mm, that is the most common one. We also have different types of flat ones, also with plastic against the products. We produce the conveyors in both aluminum and stainless steel versions.